Time off. Sorry.
So we're gonna have a fun little car do that. Oh, there we go. Fun little car do that as well on the side. Saan ba ako pupunta? Yung spray clearance pa. Grabe. Nandito pa lang sa Dublin, ha? Ko alam mo bakit naging 4-star to. Naging 4-star man eh. Yan ang fudang nila. Ito pala yung LAX. Ay, sorry. For the immigration clearance. And they said, no, you've already done that. We are in LA. LA, baby. This is just outside. It says Green Pillar. Green Pillar. Fly away. Gulo. Ang gulo po ng system nila. Magulo. Hindi po kagaya sa amin. Parang OMG. Parang murag na sa Pilipinas ko. Please don't hate me. Please don't bash me. Parang ganun talaga yon. Keep going, Green Pillar. Pero talaga ako nasa Pilipinas. And also guys, hindi na parang yung nangyari sa Dublin, yung parang pre-clearance, yun na yung immigration clearance. Kasi pagdating mo dito sa LA, wala ka ng immigration clearance. But, oh my God, it's giving me the vibe of Manila. It's hot. It's chaotic. Loads of people. I don't know where I'm going. Tayo. Tapos mag-taxi. Ito na yung parang parking lot. Lahat ng yung parang taxi na shuttle, dadalhin ka rito. Tapos dito ka sasakay. Papunta doon sa accommodation mo. Tired ka? It was a long day. It was a 10 hours flight. she what? Because I'm here. So, walang stairs yung walang lift yung hotel ka. Getting ka. Awawa naman yung mga bata.
Your skin will dry out. Moisturizer.
I have loads.
Well, I didn't. So can you can. Yeah, anything.
Guys, ito na siya, yung Target.
That's where I was this morning. Walgreens.
Uy, it's raining.
No, it's not. I was in Walgreens.
Parang ano no, nasa... Oh, amoy Manila.
Yeah, but that's a taco stand.
We are in Los Angeles. Carlos said we need to wait for the green hand to be a walking man.
Okay, you can go.
There's no walking man.
That white one is a walking.
Ah,
It's not green. It's not the UK.
Nikalay, nandito ka na sa vlog ko ba? May Ross doon. Oh, mag-shopping ba?